Welcome to this lecture. So in order to run this game, we have to now create the main from which our load screen can call all of our screen or our mode of the game. So let's go in this data directory and create a new Python file and name it as main. So here first we have to import, that is setup and tools. Just import it, and next thing would be from our states, that is our state folder, that is state, and we have to import, that is our load screen and level 1. So let's import that, and that should be first load screen and level 1. So after that we want to import, that is important module, and that is constant module. So we'll just import, that is constant as C here. So define the main here now. So main would be something like this, and this adds state to the control here. That means we'll just create this, run it, and we'll just say that these tools should control this basically class and set up this original caption here. So just create this setup and this original caption, pass it as original caption in this run it. And now let's create the dictionary, and that will just handle the mode of our game. And I'll say state dictionary, and let's create this dictionary. So first we'll have the main, so I'll say load screen. So this load screen, this is key basically, so give the value here, that would be obviously this load screen dot, just call this class here load screen. And similarly the next thing would be label now. So c dot labels, it should be level 1 here, that is the key, and just load this level 1 and just call this level 1, that is basically label class. So this is the label or a mode that we want to run. Now just run it through this run it tool setup, and just what you're gonna do here is we'll say setup here, and that should be at this setup states. So just in this setup state, pass this state dictionary, and you have to just run it now, and just run it this main. So call this run it main. So outside this data now, so you should be in this Mario game project folder. Create again this new Python file as, let me say, it should be level 1 here, and let me say level 1. And in this level 1 we'll just import the system, and similarly we'll just import pygame module, that would be like pygame as pg, and also we'll just import main now. So that should be from data, so it should be data directory, and from data.main we'll just import main. Let's go here and import main, and next thing will be, we'll just check, or we'll just import, that is C profile. So make sure you import this C profile. So after that we'll just add this name equal to main. So this is the first thing that is going to be called. So I'll say if name equal main, just make sure you just put here semicolon, and main, if the name equal main here, and it should be double underscore, and it will run automatically. That means we have to call here main, that is our main function. And similarly we'll just quit our pygame here, that is from this pygame, and just exit from the game. So the thing that we have to run is only this level 1.py. so it will just load this main function, and this main function is in this main.py, and it will just run this, and we'll just check for this load screen and level 1, and we'll go in this load screen.py, and it will just run all of these, and it will also go in this level 1, and that should be inside your data and in the state, and you can have this level 1.py, and this is important. So let's run that and check if it runs or not. So let's hit this play button and see. So our game is up and running. So you can just jump with this A key control, and you can see that it is showing us a time and score and obviously this coin, and you can see this box, and we can see this where we created. So this was basically we created in our info and info.py, and you can check for that. And now it's time to move. So when you just move now, when I'm just moving now, you can see I'm just moving, it should crash. So it has automatically crashed. This is because you have to go back to this in this level1.py file. You can see that we haven't implemented here a bunch of function that is to handle this enemy position, to handle this Mario collision, Mario XY collisions, and this power up position. So there was a crash basically. But you can say this is a achievement for us, because now within implementation of these functions we can get our Mario game, and we'll just implement in the upcoming lectures. So see you there.